Hey guys, wanted to pop in real quick and remind you that our Sand and Sea collection is currently available at royaltysoaps.com. This color combo is literally everything you need for summertime. I'm just gonna tell you that right up front. Hello everyone, my name is Katie Carson. I am the Duchess of Suds here at Royalty Soaps. I have been a professional soap maker for 10 plus years, and today we're gonna make some more cold process. You guys love cold process soap videos on this channel. I mean, obviously our #1 most viewed videos are the professional soap maker reacts. But I can only react to so many soap videos, okay? There's only so many on the internet. And other people were like, no, actually, we just want you to react to like all craft videos. But I feel like it's not my niche, so I don't know, maybe that's the bonus question of the day was, do you want reaction content for things that aren't necessarily soap making, but maybe still fit into the crafty / bath and body category? Because I'm always down to react to crazy crap that people are putting on the internet, but I'm just trying to stay true to my channel and true to my brand over here, okay? Right, anyways, let's make this frosted soap that smells literally so good. Like, it's my favorite fragrance of the month. It's not my favorite soap of the month, but it is my favorite fragrance of the month. Let's go ahead and whip that up together. Okay, so we are going to start by pouring a little bit of lye water into our oils. Recipe is down below for my base soap recipe. I'm gonna blend that up. Okay, so for this first color, we're going to add a little bit of Cosmic Carolyn. Where's my little scrapies? Here it is. All right, scrapey. These are so good. A special thank you to the member of our royal court who sent these to me because they are so flipping good. Add a little bit of titanium dioxide to lighten that up. Then we're gonna add some more Cosmic Carolyn into this one, but we're not going to lighten this one. Going to add a mix of True Yellow and a little bit of flotation device into this one. Get it nice and punchy. And then a mix of Brazen Hussy and Trial by Fire. So hoping to make this particular color kind of an orangey red. And we're gonna blend. Okay, so for this soap, I am going to add my colors all into this one bucket. I'm gonna add orange onto this side, just let it slide down the side. Oops, little on the table, that's okay. It's funny, it doesn't matter how long you've poured soap. You can always pour a little on the table. All right, pour a little pink into the front area here, and a little bit of this pretty orange red on this side. Scrape all that out, and not mixing anything up because it will get plenty mixed, trust me. Okay, I'm going to pour from the side that doesn't have any color in it, just like this. I'm gonna pour pretty high up at first, and then I'm gonna try to get a little closer as I go on. Wow, what a gorgeous pour. This fragrance oil is a custom blend. It's a little bit of grapefruit, a little bit of mango, has a little bit of peach Bellini. It's just a really lovely, like truly pink fragrance. All right, and I'm going to let these set up for a while because as you can see, they are really runny. I have loaded up my Atico 869 with this really cool like yellow color. It's like a little more than a pastel. And then we added some organic fair trade poppy seeds. It's gonna be a good one. And I have 3 different embeds that are going on top of here. I have some little hearts. I have a rose quartz crystal. It's been a while since we did a crystal soap. And I was just feeling the rose quartz. I just think it's one of the absolute prettiest stones ever. So I thought, let's incorporate it into this little tropical fruit moment we have going on over here. So this whole design was the last soap to be designed in this whole collection. And funny enough, this actually is also kind of inspired by our Hawaii trip, because the very last day we were in Kauai, it was so gorgeous outside. We were on our way to the airport and we stopped at this little fruit stand. I'll have Caleb put the exact name of it so that you guys can go support them if you ever go, because that is a small business and it is surreal to think about because the views, gorgeous. The food, delicious. And it was just like an acai smoothie bowl place. I got the best acai bowl I've ever had. Like, it had bee pollen on it. They served it with a little edible flower. My kids had like a gorgeous time. And Caleb got a banana bread from there that was a passion fruit banana bread. And it looked shockingly similar to the top of this soap. And that was one of the best banana breads I've ever had in my life. It tasted almost floral with the classic banana bread flavor, like a tropical banana bread. And I really wish he had bought more than one because it was gone too soon. It was like the very last thing that we ate and we were like, oh, it tastes like Hawaii. We had a little mournful moment over that banana bread. So I feel like I just had to recreate that in soap form so I could keep reliving the banana bread moment. Baby doops on top. And now for the crystals. Look how gorgeous. It's always nice to wait a little while for your soap to set up a little more if you're putting crystals on soap frosting. Or honestly, it doesn't have to just be soap frosting. It's really any type of soap because they're heavy and they will sink right into your design. People have asked me before whether or not you take the stone off when you use the soap, and I certainly recommend it. You can just remove it and then, you know, place it in a spot on your dresser or just, you know, somewhere pretty in your room, I guess. I like putting mine in my plants. This is another custom glitter blend. It has some pink, it has a little bit of hollow in there. It's basically just a lot of glitters from the good glitter that I mixed up. So pretty. It'll just match with all the pinks that are on the inside of the soap. And I am putting this on before I add those other little embeds because I want them to stand out and I don't want them to get covered by the glitter. Oh, see this right here? See it on my hand? This is why we wear gloves, people. This is why you wear PPE. And here are our little cutie heart embeds. They're so cute. Just gonna put them on either side of this top embed. And yes, it's going to take a while. This is a therapeutic part of soap making as long as you're not in a hurry. I am not in a hurry, so it's very relaxing. So recently, my sisters were saying that they really wanted to play some card games. All of them are so much more proficient than I am. I don't know how to play spades. I don't know how to play hearts. I only know how to play pounce, okay? And maybe pounce is called something else to other people, but it's pounce to us. Anyway, they decided that they wanted to do this recently, and I was like, okay. And my brother has a ton of cards, so he brought over all of his card decks, and they were like, let's play pounce. Okay. Turns out Caleb and I are really awful. And I'm just gonna throw him right under the bus and say he's the worst. He's literally in this room right now with me. He's laughing, okay? I promise I wouldn't expose him to all manner of caprice by saying he's bad at pounce. We're so bad at it, but let me tell you, it is so much fun, and we cannot all play together because there's too many of us. We literally, it would just make your head spin in a circle. So we all sit at a big table and we have to kind of play with a group. We split in half and then we all change chairs every single round. And I have certain siblings that I don't want to sit anywhere close to because they're so good. My brain is just spinning. So if you have a group of friends and you're looking for something to do that doesn't hardly cost any money, a pounce party is really fun. Highly recommend. Okay, let me go ahead and spritz this. Spritz, 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 very gently. Gently. Gonna turn it ever so slowly for you so you don't get dizzy. I'm obsessed. I'm going to straighten up just a couple of these because they're looking a little crooked. Not a ton, just a little. Y'all know how I am. I always pipe just a little off center, and my perfectionism has a hard time looking at that. We're kicking it back old school. I'm going to go very slowly across the top so y'all don't get dizzy. But you can see just how pretty these stones are. As far as like colors go, I'm absolutely loving this. It is so summery and it smells exactly like it looks, if that makes any sense. So we will be back in 18 to 24 hours to cut up these bars and take a look at the swirl on the inside after this quick commercial break. Ooh, 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 look at this soap. I love the yellow color. I really was working hard to make sure that the frosting yellow was different enough from these little soap hearts, and they are. You can totally see everything separately. So let's go ahead and peel the sides down here and peel the front, peel the back, place that on, and I am probably going to turn it on the side like this. Rocks are always hard to cut because they are unusual shapes. So I'm going to get this as good as I can, and then we're just going to hope for the best. Okay, that feels about right. Some of them might move just a little bit. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So very swirly, very, very psychedelic. Smells incredible. This is like a perfect summer fragrance. And every single bar looks so different. And in future batches, I might make it a little bit less swirly. You guys know I love to see a lot of definition in my swirls. I don't want them to look mottled. And this is just a little past what I would normally do. But still, I mean, look at that color. Okay, question of the day. What is your favorite family game to play? I listed some of them in the video that my family likes to play, but hey, if you have a game you think we should try out at one of our family game nights, let me know, because we're always on the hunt for a good game. Ideally 12 and up. We have teenagers, we have young adults, and then of course my parents. They're in their 50s, so we like to have a broad range of people being able to play. Another day, another crystal soap for Royalty Soaps. I am on a crystal plus soap kick. I don't know what to tell you. The combination of crystals and soap just seems so seamless to me. It's so pretty, and I don't know. I love being able to take something off and keep it forever, even though the bar of soap will eventually get all used up. So yeah, I'm just really in a mood to do that. You will see more next month. I hope you do something fun for yourself today. Maybe you're ready to whip up some fancy banana bread. Add a little passion fruit. Maybe like, I don't know, something fun like papaya banana bread. That would be so tasty. Oh, I'm making myself hungry. I haven't had lunch yet. Can you tell? You guys have an amazing day. Do something fun for yourself today, whatever that may be, and I will see you all in the next video. So until then, bye for now. Meow.